Vote in person at the polling station. Before an election, you'll get a poll card saying where your polling station is. Polling stations are open from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. As long as you're in the queue by 10 p.m, you'll be allowed to vote. When you get to the polling station, tell the staff your name and address and they'll give you your ballot paper. Take your ballot paper into the polling booth. Remember to be respectful of other people so everyone can vote in secret. There'll be a pencil in the polling booth, but you're welcome to use your own pen if you like. Mark who you want to vote for on the ballot paper as it instructs. You may have 2 or more ballot papers for different elections. Don't worry if you make a mistake. Just ask a member of staff and they'll give you a new ballot paper. When you've completed your choices, put your ballot paper in the ballot box. If you're unsure about anything or need assistance, just ask a member of staff and they will be happy to explain the process before you vote. At the end of the day, the ballot box is taken away for all the votes to be counted. Your vote will be kept safe and secret and no one will find out who you voted for. And that's it. Learn more about how to cast your vote at electoralcommission.org.uk/learning.